37. We're scaling the perilous breakfast burrito bluff, high on Mount Yuck. One false move and it's over. But there's no turning back. Everyone knows what happens when mountaineers get stranded.
Hey, stop eating me!
No!
Doctor's law. Things are terrifying. We can't tell our leader he's unconsciously afraid of heights, or he'll freak out and doom us.
Why is everyone so quiet? Man, check that awesome view! I've never been up so... Yeah!
Pizza Face, stop doing that! You'll cause a landslide!
Stop doing what? And how could I possibly cause a
Because you're afraid of... Ow!
Phew! See? As if I could cause a landslide. We did it!
We made it to the top. Or the top made it to us. Whatever.
Victory, made only sweeter by the perils we overcame. Sparkles almost lost her fizz. We nearly drowned in nacho cheese. But we made it, thanks to the steely courage and smoldering good looks of our great leader, me. I hereby claim Mount Yuck in the name of all that is gross.
Boy, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights. 'Cause then you would have freaked out and caused a disaster, probably killing us all.
Sorry?
I said, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights. 'Cause then you would have... Forget it.
Afraid of...
It's the Grossery Gang!
Shopping? It's going rotten!
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
We're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store!
Focus, team! We hit that slushy handle right there, and we'll have a very, very tsunami on our hands. Yeah! Hit me with that wave of flavor! Doc Brocc, you ready to fire the next round?
Twanky, locked and loaded, sir!
Let's do this!
Yeah! Feel my wrath!
That's your wrath?
Well, let's see you try it.
Ha! Pizza cake! Get it? Pizza cake? Kill me!
Just fire the juice box.
Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Wow! Ah! I want that slushy storm! Smackdown!
Guys?
Not one thing hit the slushy machine. Sure it did. I don't remember slingshotting Egghead.
I was the one yelling, no, stop, don't!
Oh yeah, I remember. Well, team, there's only one thing to do when life gives you a mountain of crud. Go mountain climbing! Yeah!
It's the Grossery Gang!
Shopping? It's going rotten!
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
We're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store!
Team, we're gonna be the first explorers in history to climb all the way to the top of Mount Yuck. Are you ready?
Yeah!
And on, why are we climbing Mount Yuck?
Cool new kinds of frostbite?
Coloring our cheeks, hopefully green.
To find Rocky?
No! Because it's there! I mean there. Let's do this! Yeah! Journal, day 1. The hike is brutal. The team is showing fatigue. The glorious speech at base camp is but a distant memory now. These have been the most grueling 5 minutes of my life.
If we're ever gonna make it to the top, we'll need some encouragement.
Yeah! Oh, got some right here. Wow, that worked. Oh, what about me? Journal, day 5. Every day has been a new challenge. We chopped our way across crusty coleslaw chasm. We ran across corn chip ridge. Finally, we reached the great dirty tissue divide.
Help me.
Stay in the middle of the flypaper.
It's too sticky. I can't make it.
Step on their heads. It's the only way. Ow, right in the compound eye.
Sorry.
Whoa!
Sparkles, no!
I'm just right here. Can you help?
Oh, hey, sure.
Yeah!
We made it! There's only one proper way to celebrate this, in the manner of their greatest Swiss mountaineers. With a victory yodel! Excuse me.
No, Pizza. That wasn't your lunch. The yodeling caused that.
Nacho cheese avalanche! Ah!
It's the Grossery Gang.
Shopping? It's going rotten.
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
We're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store.
Yeah, so let's recap. We were trying to throw food at the slushy machine, but missed, and made a vast mountain of crud, which we then decided to climb because
it's there!
then we survived rotten coleslaw, sharp chips, and flypaper, but were washed away in an avalanche of nacho cheese. I think we can say, greatest day of our lives!
Wait, where's Sparkles? I can't budge her!
I have an idea. Follow my lead. Hey, Sparkles, your soda is flatter than a pancake at a steamroller derby.
Yeah, your get up and go, got up and win!
The water that drips out of the air conditioner has more fizz than you.
Lasso, quick!
Tuna fish.
Cool, man, I've never been this high.
What was that?
I said this high.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Thanks, Sparkles. We knew you had it in you.
So, you weren't being jerks for no good reason?
Nope, for a very good reason. We were trying to get a rise out of you. And it looks like the rise was about a mile.
And there's the top! Whoa! In a few minutes, we'll reach the in one
What's up with Pizza Face?
I read about this in a science journal. Or maybe a comic strip. Pizza Face is unconsciously afraid of heights.
Afraid of?
Shh! Don't tell him, or he'll become paralyzed with fear. As long as we don't go too high too fast, we'll be fine.
Ah, smell that fresh mountain.
Did I say we'll be fine? I meant we'll be goners!
Oh!
At least we're not too high up now.
problems, Doc. Look! Pizza Face is naked!
Naked? From here?
Is that a thing? Pizza Face, we gotta get out of here! Snap out of it!
Nothing. There's only one way to save a close friend at a time like this.
Agreed.
Yeah! Awesome! Oh! I wonder if this is as fun for Pizza Face.
Probably even more fun.
Totally.
Yes! They're alive!
Let me see. Lucky Pizza Face. I wish I could go face boarding.
Ah, they're coming in fast!
Run!
Phew! We made it! We're alive!
Yeah!
Greatest mountaineering trip ever!
Righteous.
Hey, Pizza Face, you're back. Are you okay?
Could've used a few less mousetraps, but that was still the greatest ride of my life! Yeah! I'll say one thing about mountain climbing. It sure puts hair on your chest. Yeah!
Hands off, Rocky! I called dibs on the last soda.
Yeah, after I saw it first.
Well, it's got my name all over it.
Last time I checked, your name wasn't Scuzzy Cola.
Give it!
You give it!
It's mine!
No, mine! Let go! No way!
Uh-oh. Hey, who turned out the lights? I am mucho afraid of the dark.
Hey, Ricardo, how's the new job?
It's a living, my foot-long friend. How do you like that? Ricardo hogged all the soda.
Quit slacking, Ricardo. I'm paying you to do odd jobs.
The odder the better.
Not to stand around blabbing with riffraff. Now get to work.
Baroom! Ricardo, stick your tongue on that fly zapper. Thank you, but no. I'm on a strict no-insect diet.
Do it or you're fired.
Very well. Since you asked me so nicely.
Did I say fired? I meant fried. I dropped a tooth in there. Find it for me.
As you wish, boss. Hey, what is this? A blotto ticket? Perhaps my luck is about to change. Huh?
Blotto ticket?
Mine!
No, mine!
Give me that!
You give it!
Actually, the ticket is mine. You see, the finder is the keeper, and the losers are the weepers, who get fired and flushed. To scan or not to scan? That is the $1 million blotto ticket question.
What are you waiting for, Ricardo? You want to be a squishy toilet brush for the rest of your life?
Blessed mamacita of chance! My ticket is the big winner! I am no longer what the poets call flat broke.
Enough celebrating. Now that you're filthy rich, you gotta learn how to look and act rich and filthy. And I'm just a classy guy to show you how it's done. For starters, you're way too pale. Wealthy folks love their fake tails.
This tan does not smell fake. It smells banana-y.
Whoops, better turn up the heat. We're late for your hair appointment.
But I do not have hair.
You do now.
No, not even. Oh boy. No. Perfect.
Some unnatural color and a spritz to achieve maximum helmet hair. A tornado couldn't undo that, too.
As I always say, the peel makes the banana.
I'm in my banana birthday suit. Hey, who is this dashing fruit? And what has he done with Ricardo?
Now for the icing on the cake, aftershave. I mixed it myself out of prune juice, pine air freshener, and rusty pipe water.
Oh, yes. I positively reek of success. I am a new banana. Now begone, peasants. I am too rich to associate with the likes of you.
I told him everything he knows. So proud.
Ski the frosty slopes of frozen TV dinners. Soak up the sun under a blazing tropical heat lamp. Gaze upon the most glittery jewelry in the entire Yucky Mart. But that's nothing compared to the squishy towers. A colossal condo of double-ply toilet paper. Or the double squish ranch and its herd of thoroughbred race roaches. Welcome to Lifestyles of the Rich and Disgusting. I'm your host, Serge. All these wonders are owned by the world's richest banana, Ricardo. His peel to riches tale is the stuff of legend. Join me now for a peek at Ricardo's high-priced, trend-setting lifestyle.
Muy picante. Let the interview begin.
Ricardo, you live a life of glitzy gluttony. What more could an overripe tropical fruit ask for?
Excellent question, my television companion, but definitely not my real-life friend. What more could I ask for? Hey, how about my pedicure over here?
Right away, boss. Gotta keep those rich tootsies trimmed.
I have many rich banana things to do, but still I stay in touch with the little people. Like this ever-ripening fellow.
Don't give me that hoity-toity fancy talk. I was rich before your bunch even fell out of the tree. I had it all. Friends, music, and all the stale chocolate coins you could eat. But I lost it all. Betrayed by my best pal and my best gal. What I'm saying is, don't trust nobody.
Excellent advice. Everybody out! Too bad, so sad. Come back when you're rich like me.
I'm not sure that's the moral of my story. Or is it?
Time for this squishy banana to get his beauty sleep. But first, I must make sure my many millions are safe and snug. Buying up all the Blotto tickets proves I have a brilliant banana business brain. One of them is sure to be another big winner. But I shall save that pleasure for tomorrow. Now, to activate the alarm, and then off to Betty Bye I go. It is good to be wealthy.
Sweet dreams, Banana Mush. When you wake up, all those sweet Blotto tickets will be mine.
Hey, you mean ours, right?
Sure, that's what I meant.
I got moldy cherry.
Oh, dusty mint and roach droppings.
Are you sure this is safe?
Nope.
Quiet!
Go! Here, boy. Oh, here, chew on this.
Time for Plan B.
What's Plan B?
Take the tickets and run!
Halt, you ticket thieves, or face my tropical banana fury! Eat hot potato with no butter or sour cream!
Ow! I'm more of an onion ring guy!
Stop, thieves! You have stolen my precious Blotto tickets and ignited my fiery banana rage!
Time for us to banana split! Ricardo's gone crazy!
It's positively shocking. We're trapped, but I'm not going down without a fight. What do you know? This flat battery still has some juice.
You sure do, sirs. But I got all the blood-on tickets.
Never trust a fully loaded sub. They always want everything on it. Those tickets are mine.
Actually, the tickets are mine.
Finders keepers, losers weepers.
Perhaps. But I assure you I will not be the one weeping, my foot-long friend.
Oh, yeah? Well, we'll see about that.
Give me those tickets.
Tickets.
Ow, ow. Ouch.
My head.
Oh, unbelievable. Oh, I am coming for you, my precious.
Oh, no, you don't.
They are all winners and all mine.
All ours.
Stinky? How dare you slam my own gates in my own handsome banana face?
Ain't yours anymore, bub. You're flat busted. But I used that chocolate coin you gave me to scratch and win a blotto ticket that fell right out of the sky. Now all of you deadbeats are working for me. Come on, you lazy slowpokes. I hired you to bob for toilet pennies, and that's what you're gonna do.
It's a living.